Family's kind of the center, I'd say, of our existence. I was 51 years old, I had 6 children in college, children in high school, surviving this experience with cancer and surviving the surgery. It's a great story, and I'm forever grateful to the doctor for saving my life and for his team. I had been troubled with acid indigestion, if you will, acid reflux for 15 years. One night I was suffering symptoms that I thought were a heart attack, and they checked my heart out and said my heart was fine. And I had a scope, and he came back and told me I had a precancerous condition called Barrett's esophagus.
Jerry was very religious. Every year he would go and get scoped. For 10 years, I think it was. And that 10th year, he was thinking about maybe I'll skip it this year. But, I would take him, and he did it, and we found out it was cancer. Life interrupted. It's a hard thing to hear, and you start worrying about everything, and how do we handle this?
Esophagectomy is a large surgery, and they've removed your esophagus, they've reshaped your stomach, they pull it up into your chest and connect it at your neck. And I was given the names of 3 surgeons by my physicians. Actually, one of the surgeons told me that he could do it, but that Dr. Oringer was the best, and that if I can get into U of M and see Dr. Oringer, I should go there, which I thought was pretty high praise, because surgeons tend to be confident fellows.
And this is what the transhiatal esophagectomy has generated. By reducing the lung complications, by reducing the infection complication if there's a leak, in the last 1,000 patients, there's been a 1% mortality, which is about the risk of having a gallbladder out, although this is certainly not gallbladder surgery. So 97% go home about a week after surgery, being able to eat a soft diet and progress and get well.
I remember being in the operating room, and then I woke up in my room and the surgery was over. I mean, I call this bonus time. Over these last 7 years, probably had 3 more graduates from college, 2 grad schools, a law school, an MBA, a master's in education on the kids, a marriage, so I picked up a great son-in-law along the way, and probably our highlight for the last year has been we had our first grandchild. Having a grandchild is just a wonderful experience. I'm enjoying my bonus time.